Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to make eye-catching posters? I'll show you all the basics in Canva. Click Create, then type Poster. Choose a landscape or portrait design. We'll use landscape for this demo. Next, browse the available templates to find a design that suits your poster. Select the template you like to open it, then customize the text, images, and colors as needed. This process helps you quickly create a professional-looking poster. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any changes during editing. For example, let's apply this design now. You can edit the elements, such as this text. Select the text to modify it, then apply various effects or text effects from the toolbar to customize its appearance quickly and easily. This enhances your design with minimal effort. Edit the text by adding an outline. Then, change the outline color to customize the appearance. This enhances visibility and style according to your design preferences. In this black and red theme, you can also customize the power input colors. Click the settings icon, select the color option, and choose your preferred shades to personalize your display efficiently and clearly. Next, we can edit the style version by adding elements. For example, select the recommendation elements category. Choose an element you want to add, then click to include it in your design. You can continue adding other elements as needed. Each added element can be customized individually to fit your style requirements. This allows you to enhance the overall look and functionality of your project. Adjust placement, size, and other properties for each element to ensure a cohesive design. Repeat this process to build a comprehensive and visually appealing layout that meets your goals and preferences. You can edit any details on this screen, including changing the date. Simply select the field you want to update, enter the new information, and confirm your changes. Make sure all details are accurate before proceeding to the next step. This ensures your data is correctly saved and reflected in the system. There are many elements available on this side. You can select a specific element and add it to the other side. Simply choose the element you want, then drag and drop it where needed. This allows you to customize your layout easily. Explore the options to enhance your design and create the desired structure efficiently. Experiment with different elements to see what works best for your project. Use these features to streamline your workflow and improve your results quickly. Change the color to blue by selecting the blue option. Next, switch the color to white by clicking the white swatch. You can also choose pink by selecting the pink color option. These changes will update the item's appearance immediately. Experiment with different colors to find the perfect look. Use the color palette menu to explore and apply additional colors as needed for your design. Click Share, then select Download. Choose to save your file as a PNG image, a PDF for printing, or best printing quality. After selecting your preferred format and quality, click Download to save the file to your device. This ensures you have the correct file type for your needs. Now you know how to create awesome posters in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.